गुड मॉर्निंग दोस्तों, मेरा नाम अमन खन्ना है एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल मजिशियन अमन खन्ना। आज हम एक बेहतरीन टॉपिक के बारे में बात करेंगे, कैश फ्लो क्वाड्रेंट। और मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि कैश फ्लो क्वाड्रेंट कैसे एसोसिएटेड है नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग के साथ। सबसे पहले मैं कुछ अपने बारे में बताना चाहूँगा। मेरा नाम अमन खन्ना है और पिछले लास्ट 2 साल से नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग कर रहा हूँ इन द कंपनी नेम्ड मोदी केयर एंड आई एम एट ए डायरेक्टर लेवल इन इट। तो आप ये सोच रहे होंगे कि नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग और इसका एसोसिएशन क्या है, तो उसी के बारे में हम बात करेंगे। सबसे पहले आप यहाँ देख रहे होंगे ESBI कुछ लिखा हुआ है एंड ये कौन है भाई, ये कौन है? तो भाई इनका नाम है रॉबर्ट टी कियोसाकी। इन्होंने अपनी बुक्स लिखकर लोगों को बहुत इंस्पायर किया फाइनेंशियल फ्रीडम के बारे में। इन्होंने वेल्थ के बारे में बताया, रिच के बारे में बताया, रिच पीपल वेल्दी इतनी जल्दी कैसे हो जाते हैं, सारी चीज़ों के बारे में बताया। तो ही हैज़ डन अ लॉट। तो सबसे पहले स्टार्ट करते हैं ESBI के बारे में। इनकी इन्वेंशन है ESBI, तो इसी के बारे में बात करते हैं। व्हाट इज़ ई? तो सबसे पहले आपको पता होगा दुनिया में 7.8 बिलियन लोग हैं और कहीं ना कहीं अगर हम बात करते हैं उनके पैसे कमाने के तरीके में, सिर्फ 4 लीगल वेज हैं जिनका जो है ESEI। सबसे पहले हम ई की बात करते हैं। ई स्टैंड्स फॉर एम्प्लॉय। These people, they want security in their life. Their core belief is security. They work for employers like Wipro, Infosys, Tech Mahindra, and etc. 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 These people, for example, is CEO. CEO of company is or does it also falls into E quadrant. Okay, so let's talk about this. S is self-employed, solo, or specialists like doctors, lawyers, and web designers. These people don't like to delegate their work. They want to do it by their own. The core philosophy is that you want to do it right, and they believe in themselves. They also get active income. I forgot to tell you, he also enjoys active income because they trade their time for money. So this is the left quadrant. Let's talk about left. Let's talk about right. Okay, so we have talked about left quadrant. Let's come to right quadrant. B is big businesses, or if you talk about business owners, they actually fall into this category. A company with more than 500 employees falls into big business. And if you talk about if you talk about Bill Gates, the founder of Microsoft Corporation, if you talk about Jeff Bezos, founder of Amazon, these people are the most wealthiest people in the world and they fall into this quadrant. These people have the core belief that they require a good system and the system has to work for them. Their core belief is this. And if you talk about the income, they enjoy passive income. Passive income in the sense the people will be working for them. Even if they don't work, people will be working for them and they'll be getting lots of shares of money. Okay, let's come to investor. Now investor, if you talk about I means professional investors. These are the people that make money work for them. People like Warren Buffett are in this category. Okay. Now I want to talk about a thing called financial freedom. According to Robert T Kiosaki, people on the right side of the quadrant have a higher have a higher probability of achieving the financial independence as compared to left side of the quadrant. Okay, so first of all, I want to talk about taxes as well. If you talk about taxes, just let's go to the next slide. Just a second. Okay, ESBI. Now this graph, this ESBI quadrant chart, it basically shows that on the right hand side of this we have 20% to 0% taxes, and that is why rich gets richer and the poor gets poorer. So I just want to give you an example on the left side of the quadrant and the right side of the quadrant. For example, if you talk about employee, he buys a car and on his salary he is taxed. But a person on the right hand side, big business is, he buys a car in the name of the business and is exempt from the tax. That's why there is only 20% of the tax that he has to pay as compared to 40% of the tax that he has to pay. Okay. The second thing that I want to just highlight is, for example, salary. Salary of E is taxed to a higher side as compared to the capital gains that is received by B and I. For example, what are capital gains? For example, you have a property and you just own a property, and after some years, 3 to 4 years, you give it after having a lot of profit. So a bit of the chunk of that profit will get to the government in the form of taxes. But still the capital gains that you get after the taxes is taxed very less as compared to the salary. So the last that I want to portray, just go back, let's come into this quarter. The last thing that I want to tell you about the network marketing is, about this ESBI and network marketing. As I told you that I'll be giving you a correlation between them two. So if you talk about just this, if you talk about big businesses, I'm working in a network marketing company, as I told you, ModiCare, and there are people working for me. So if you talk about most of the network marketing companies, and there are a lot of other businesses as well, I'm not talking about specifically about network marketing, but I have to talk about network marketing only to the fact that I only make videos about network marketing. So my network marketing falls into this category, and according to Robert T. Kiyosaki, he says that people on the right side of the quadrant have a higher probability of getting to not rich, to the financial independence as compared to the left side of the quadrant. So the only thing that differentiates ESBI is every person in every quadrant has a unique mentality, has a unique mindset, has a unique core belief that makes him stick to that quadrant. So a person can always come to the other side of the quadrant with the help of the shifting of their core beliefs. So I hope I have made you understand all the quadrants in brief and in good detail as well. And thank you so much. Thank you for that.